Maximus Analysis here for October 20th, 2016, and you can see that they're continuing to chop like crazy. Going to the daily, you could see basically this is an indecision candle against our resistance level of 2139. I actually probably have too many lines here. Let me move one. This is the breakout level of 2134, so that's why it's significant, and I will actually keep it there just so that you guys can see it. Let me put this one back because obviously they've been hitting it like crazy. Let's go to the intraday chart. Let's do a 130 minute. And this is what we had today. Chop sideways. This is actually a 30 minute. You could just see they keep tapping my level, but they keep ping-ponging. Oh, it's so painful. But I just wanted to tell you, actually, the newsletter, I wish it wasn't so actually spot on the feeling of what we are fighting against. And the title of the newsletter was, Do You Want to Play a Game? And if you're not on the newsletter, you need to be on it and put a lot of time into it to make sure it is proper information, useful information, and also edited and given in a professional manner. I'm not going to just give you a one-liner here, chart with, oh, the moving average crossed here. Moving average doesn't mean anything in price action like this because the smaller ones are actually going to be just sideways. They're just moving with the price. It's a lagging indicator. So you got, and not saying moving averages don't mean anything. What I'm saying is that I want you to look at the price action versus someone saying the moving average crossed over here. Now it's back up. Okay, they need to go back up, and now they're sideways versus there's just recognizing there's nothing to trade and don't trade it. You hear my frustration? I am actually a little frustrated. So going to the daily time frame, on the ES, we can see that they defended. Let's go back. That they're basically defending this 2139 area. The level below that was 2128 that I tweeted out, and it held. And I wish it didn't hold. We're looking at the next level to try to get them below this 2119. I got 2116 and a half, then 2105, and then they go for this low. They break that low. You could see from here, again, I'm using array just to kind of give you a point. Tap, 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 broke. Same thing here. They just are continuing, but you can see the wedge pattern forming here. It's just getting tighter and tighter and tighter. They break this, the move is going to be fast. I'm actually expecting it hopefully tomorrow. But we shall see what's going on from there. NQ ramped up as well, still holding these downward, these uptrend right now. But again, I'm looking at it more as they're, got below this level right here, and now they're just doing the same chop, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe a little bit higher to crush back down. God, it's annoying. YM, same deal. Look at this, same type of deal. Breaking up, just chopping sideways. You know what the 17,900 is from. The weekly time frame, they break below that, they can scream back down. But it's been 12 stinking weeks of sideways action. Crude, 5-wave completion. Posted it on Twitter, spoke about it actually, and it faded our level beautifully. 51.63. Now I think we are going back to the 48.50 region at a minimum, just because of this high right here that it might stall against. They break below that, we'll see if they test back these levels, but it might be some choppy situation, but we'll watch it from here. Again, you can see the type of candlesticks that we've had on the daily. So you have the gap up, and I think, remember that crude contract rolls every month. Okay, so this could be a contract roll which caused the gap down on this continuous contract, which I'm showing you. The pound F means a continuous contract in E signal. So what else did we have going on? We had the dollar up, looking extended, very extended, but still holding. Again, I'm glad I told my friend again to manage risk, and he should be doing so and watch it from here. Bonds continue to kind of hold, but they still got a lot of work to do. Because we don't know where we're going right here. I don't know if we're pulling back. Again, I want to see how extreme we're already. 1, 2, 3, 4 bars off of the low. Let's see if they give a fifth to more downside potential, or they just break below this candlestick low. Very frustrating action. Again, you're looking at some high other stuff. The British pound still in a weaker type of situation, and I don't know if it's going to continue to just slide down more. And we'll continue to watch these things currently. Again, that's all I have to say, man. It's just been the most painful I've seen in a long time, because this is not just 12 weeks of sideways chop. It is remember August, the whole August chopped as well. So it flushed down the first week of September and has been chopping since. Patience pays. Sometimes cash is a position. Man, this is annoying. But again, it is what it is. You can't force the market to do what you want to do, and that's why a lot of people have had, unfortunately, bad. And this is nothing to gloat. I don't gloat about things like this, because who are you proving stuff to, or who are you supposed to make happy? But if there's no trend, try not to trade, because most of the time, again, I have personally given up the most money in my account when I was trading chop versus getting actual price action to a trend to follow and trade. Please heed my warning. But we should see something soon. I continue to be bearish. Take care.